Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Naveed Ahmed. Today in this video I will show you how you can install WordPress plugin on your WordPress website. So in the first method, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins and click here on add plugin. After that, search for your plugin. Now click here on install now button and activate your plugin. As you can see that our plugin have been activated. Now for the second method, first we need to deactivate and delete this plugin. Now go to wordpress.org and search for your plugin. Now click here on this download button. After downloading the zip file, go to your WordPress dashboard again and then click here on add plugin and now click here on upload plugin. Click here on choose file and choose the zip file of your plugin and click here on install now. Now click here on activate plugin. As you can see that our plugin have been activated properly. So in this way you can install any plugin on your WordPress website. If you want more WordPress related videos, kindly subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.